from Crestline, California. Autumn has arrived right on time, right after the equinox. Speaking of autumn, I want to let you guys know that I am finally doing a soul weekend retreat up in the Northeast. It's going to be in Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania, which is about a couple hours from New York, a couple hours from Philly. You guys have been asking me to go there for so long, and I've been trying to make it happen, but the logistics have always been what held me back, because I'm not close to there, so it's hard to go and see. So what I'm doing with this retreat is I'm charging about 1/3 of what retreats would usually be, and I'm not doing the logistics. So your room and board and meals and all that stuff is yours to plan, especially for retreats like this. You know, sometimes it's a circular thing because I'm not sure how much people want to spend. I don't know if they want to get a swanky hotel room, or if they want to pair up in an Airbnb somewhere, or if whatever. So all that is up to you. The retreat will go from Friday, November 16th. We'll meet, we'll have dinner, we'll do an opening circle, pull oracle cards, start writing affirmations for the weekend. Then Saturday, we will go have brunch someplace. We will go for a hike, and one of my favorite waterfalls, lots of past lives. We'll meditate, connect with the nature spirits, talk to each other, and then have dinner. And then Sunday will be closing circle. In between that will be lots of different areas of education, different classes, different meditations, various stuff, and also there will be time to focus on you guys. I'm capping it at 6 people, so there will be 7 of us total, and tickets are $444. Now for the first week that this is open, I'm taking it down 25%, so they're $333, and to reserve your spot, there's a fee of $111, and that goes into your ticket price. But if you do cancel, it's non-refundable because I have to pay to make it happen myself. So that's what's going on. So yay. I hope to see you guys in Jim Thorpe. It's going to be really fun. I haven't done a weekend retreat in a couple years. The last one I did was in Sedona. I do plan on doing more in Sedona, of course, but I mean, just this coming up weekend is a Sedona tour, or rather next weekend. But I'm really excited about going up to this area. I lived near Jim Thorpe for a while, and I really love it up there. The land is really beautiful and magical, a lot of elemental energy, but also it has been injured with all of the mining and the fracking that's been done for 100 years at this point. Not the fracking, but the mining. And so I'm looking forward to us all getting together and just pouring a bunch of heart love and healing energy into the land, and of course into each other, and just to have time to look into you guys' eyes and hang out with you and co-create with you and pull cards for you and figure out the next step of your own soul journey. So much of these retreats is just being around each other. It gives us an amazing upgrade, and it's nice to know that we're not alone, because a lot of us are unique in our social circles. So I hope to see you guys there. Go to my website, check it out. Again, the reservation fee is $111, and I'm only letting 6 people come. So if you want to come, I will see you in Jim Thorpe on November 16th. Very, very excited. Sending you so many blessings from the West Coast before I head to the East Coast. Bye, you guys.